Okay, we are working on 7th grade IXL integers on number lines. This is A5Y. Type in the missing number. So in the beginning here, we're looking at moving up by 1, right? -2, -1. This has to be 0. Okay, let's jump up a level right off the bat here. Go up to 36. So the technique here is to look at the number line and ask yourself, how much are they moving up by or down by? So it looks like you skip counting by ones. So if we go backwards by 1, we would be at 0. Go backwards by 1, we'd be at -1. Okay? All right. So let's look at this one. We're moving backwards by 1. So it looks like we're skip counting by 1. So this would be -36, -37, -38. All right, which makes -39, -40, and you guessed it, -41. -41. So if we're moving this way now, this would have to be -35. Okay? All right, so that's also by 1. So let's find a different one. All right, so this looks different, right? Now we're skip counting by 5s. 20, 25. So this would be 10, 15, 20. So this has to be 15. This means this has to be 5. And this has to be 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Right? Here's another one. -5, -10, -15. This would be -20. So we're skip counting by 5s. This has to be 0. Okay, let's go ahead and see what else we have. This is also 5s. Let's jump up a level. Let's do the last group of 90. These are the ones that get a little challenging. So now we're skip counting by 5s because -30, -35, -40, -45. So this has to be -25. And I recommend going and just checking -25, -30. Just check yourself at the end. All right, so what are we skip counting by? It looks like 1, right? Because -5, -6, -7, -8. Okay, so 0 would be -1, -2, -3, -4. Right, there we go. All right, let's just do a couple more here. Again, what are we skip counting by? We're skip counting by 5s because this is -50, -55. So this would have to be -80. And this would have to be -90. Okay, I think you guys got it. And just so that's a strategy. Just check and see what they're skip counting by, and I'm sure you guys are going to do great. Let's finish this last one though, because this is a different. This is 10, right? 0, 10, 20. So going backwards by 10 would be -10. You're going 10 backwards. -20, -30, and -40. All right, you got this. And that's it.